And then do you have any projects beyond that, or kind of taking a break?
Yeah, I'm just other than that, and just spending time with my family, my kids. It's the summertime in New York, so
Yeah.
just enjoying the sun out there and so forth. It's been nice.
The summertime is probably, is in my opinion, the best season in New York.
Yeah, it's very nice. Some people prefer the spring, so it's not as hot, but I like the summer. Because the nighttime gets cool, daytime is hot, right? You sort of get the variety of temperatures to deal with.
Yeah.
How about yourself? I'm hearing that you're releasing a book.
I am. I am. It's called Your First Year in Data Science, and it hits a lot upon a lot of the topics that you and I discussed. But really, it's also driven by the discussions I've had with my community, where there seems to be such a big gap between what you learn in school versus how you do things in the real world. With when you have managers, from people like you and I, right? So the way I like to equate it is that in school, you're probably like in a specific course, like a neural networks course or a regression methods course. So that gives you the model. The assignment gives you the idea for the project, and then the professor hands over the data to you. And so everything's just kind of given to you and determined for you, right? But it's
Yeah.
not that's not like how like the real world works, as you and I have expressed during this discussion. So I'm trying to have this book out there to bridge the gap between the two. So it's out on
Nice.
Amazon now. I did the paperback, the ebook, and the audio version. Recording an audiobook is one of the hardest things I've done. That's very nerve wracking. But
Mhm.
yeah, it's out there. Your first year in data science.
Awesome, awesome.
Yeah.
Time to take a look at it.
But thank you so
Great.
much for the time here. Any closing thoughts for our audience?